Today we will learn lines of symmetry. First, watch this video.
Here is an image of a heart. Can you fold it exactly halfway so that its two halves are exactly similar, or one half completely covers the other half? Let's try. Here we are folding it. Yeah, it completely covers the other half. And when you can fold a shape in half and one half exactly covers the other half, we can say that the shape is symmetrical. And the fold line is the line of symmetry. So this shape is a symmetrical shape. And this line of fold that divides the shape into two similar halves is the line of symmetry. Here is a rectangle. Let's fold this rectangle halfway. If we fold it here, it does not work. Example, one half does not cover the other half. So let's try another way. Let's fold it this way. Yeah, if we fold it here, it works. That is, one half is completely covering the other half. So we got to know that this figure is symmetrical, and this line of fold is the line of symmetry.
Line of symmetry means a line where we can fold the image and have both halves match exactly. So I can find if a shape has line of symmetry by folding it. So when I fold the picture or the shape in two parts that match exactly, this means I have a line of symmetry. Draw a line of symmetry for each of the following if you can. I have a square, an arrow, and smiley face. So square, I can draw 4 lines of symmetry. Yes, like this. Okay, for an arrow, I can draw only one line of symmetry like this. And for the smiley face, I can draw only one line of symmetry like this. So when I fold the two parts from each picture here, the two parts will match exactly. Yes, this is so easy now. Now we will study lines of symmetry for triangles. Here I have 3 types of triangles. An equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. So the equilateral triangle, I can fold it 3 times. So I have 3 lines of symmetry. In the isosceles triangle, I can draw only one line of symmetry. And in a scalene triangle, I can't draw any lines of symmetry. So for equilateral triangle, I have 3 lines of symmetry. For isosceles triangle, I have 1 line of symmetry. For scalene triangle, I don't have lines of symmetry. Now, lines of symmetry for quadrilaterals. I have a square, so I can draw 4 lines of symmetry for the square. I have a rectangle. Okay, rectangle, I can draw only 2 lines of symmetry like this. So the rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry only. For the rhombus, I have 2 lines of symmetry only. For the parallelogram, I don't have any lines of symmetry. For the isosceles trapezium, I have only one line of symmetry. And for the trapezium, I don't have any lines of symmetry for this one. The square has 4 lines of symmetry. The rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. The rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. The parallelogram has 0 line of symmetry. The isosceles trapezium, I have only 1 line of symmetry, and the trapezium, I have 0 line of symmetry. Now, what are lines of symmetry for regular polygons? Okay, for the pentagon, I have 5 lines of symmetry like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 lines of symmetry. 5 lines of symmetry. And for the hexagon, I have 6 lines of symmetry. And for the heptagon, I have 7 lines of symmetry. And for the octagon, I have 8 lines of symmetry. Now, how many lines of symmetry for the circle? Okay, circle, you can divide it so many times. So you have infinite number of lines of symmetry. For the circle, I have an infinite number of lines of symmetry. Now, can you solve with me? Draw all lines of symmetry in each of the following figures, if possible. In the first shape, I have a circle, so I can draw an infinite number of lines of symmetry. Okay, so I will draw 1. For the second picture, I don't have any lines of symmetry. For the third picture, I'll draw only 1 line of symmetry, but I have 4. And for the rectangle, I have 2 lines of symmetry, and I will draw 1. Now, complete with me. The regular pentagon has, we said pentagon has 5 sides, so the pentagon has also 5 lines of symmetry. The hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. The isosceles trapezium has, yes, we said before, the isosceles trapezium has 1 line of symmetry. Now the circle has an infinite number of lines of symmetry, and the rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.